Once upon a time, in the monochromatic land of Shadehaven, there lived a peculiar character named Grayscale, who was entirely devoid of color. Grayscale had always felt a sense of emptiness, surrounded by the dull and lifeless hues of this world. The vibrant tales of other colorful beings and their adventures left him yearning for something more. One day, as Grayscale wandered through the desaturated landscapes, he stumbled upon a mysterious cave. Intrigued, he entered the dark cavern, where he discovered an ancient, glowing artifact known as the chroma crystal. Legend had it that the crystal had the power to transform a colorless entity into a living kaleidoscope of hues. Driven by a deep desire for vibrancy, Grayscale decided to embark on a quest to gather crayon people scattered across the land. These crayon people were animated figures made entirely of vibrant crayon wax, each possessing a unique and brilliant color. The only way for Grayscale to absorb their colors was to melt them, fusing their pigments into his own monochrome form. Setting out on his colorful journey, Grayscale encountered a spectrum of crayon people, each with their own personalities and stories. Each would contribute their distinct shade to Grayscale's quest. As Grayscale melted each crayon person, he absorbed their color and personality, becoming a walking canvas of emotions. With every addition, his once gray world transformed into a mesmerizing tapestry of hues. Yet, with each melting, Grayscale couldn't help but feel a twinge of sadness as the crayon people sacrificed themselves for the sake of his newfound vibrancy. Throughout his journey, Grayscale learned valuable lessons about the beauty of diversity and the importance of embracing one's unique colors. The once lonely and colorless character discovered the richness that came from the amalgamation of diverse shades, creating a tapestry of emotions that made him more complete than ever before. In the end, Grayscale stood at the entrance of the cave, the chroma crystal radiating with the accumulated brilliance of the crayon people he had encountered. As he touched the crystal, the colors fused within him, and he underwent a transformation that turned him into a living masterpiece of vibrancy. The once colorless character, now a kaleidoscope of emotions and experiences, stepped out into a world that had never witnessed such a burst of color. Grayscale became a symbol of unity and diversity, reminding the inhabitants of Shadehaven that true beauty lies in the harmony of different hues, and that even a colorless soul could become a masterpiece when touched by the spectrum of light.